Hello everyone, I am Ryan from All About Unboxing, and now we're gonna unbox the Airsoft gun K35DA. This is the box for now. You see the picture of the gun image, and this silencer, and here the name again, here the warning, choking hazard, something like that, blah 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 blah, and the warning again. The back, see the smart airsoft gun, see, and this how to use, instructions on how to use this, only for 18 years old. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's open the box. Whoa, so very cool. The bullets, bullets, the bullets, oh, so tiny. Let's put it aside. And this is the gun. The gun is full of metal here. Oh, so bullets are go. Okay, I just can't put it aside. And this is the silencer. Silencer is here. See it? So heavy. How to put it in here? You just screw it up here. That. It's right. Okay, but when I put the silencer in here, it becomes heavy to film. So that's all for the unboxing of the airsoft gun. Okay, I hope you guys become happy in my video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Goodbye guys. Peace.